In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple profiles in Microsoft Outlook. If you juggle work and personal email, or you support different clients and want to keep everything neatly separated, Outlook profiles are the perfect solution. A profile is like a dedicated workspace that stores your accounts, data files, and settings independently. That means no more cluttered inboxes or mixed calendars. Each profile keeps its own environment, making your day-to-day tasks cleaner and more focused. Let's walk through the process together. First, look for the option to create a new profile and click Add. This opens the setup flow for a fresh, clean profile. Think of it as giving yourself a brand new Outlook home, separate from anything you already use. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a profile name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can tell profiles apart at a glance. Something like personal, work, or a specific project or client. This name is just a label for your reference, so pick what makes sense to you and will be easy to recognize later. After naming it, click OK to confirm. This moves you directly into account setup for the new profile, and Outlook will guide you through the essentials. Now it's time to add your email account. Enter your account details and follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, Outlook can automatically detect the right server settings and complete the configuration for you. If your organization uses enhanced security or multi-factor sign-in, simply follow those prompts as they appear. The key here is to let Outlook connect and verify the account so everything syncs properly within this new profile. When Outlook reports that the setup is complete, click Finish. This finalizes the profile, saves the configuration, and prepares your new workspace. Behind the scenes, Outlook creates and links the data files it needs so your mail, calendar, and contacts stay organized within this profile, separate from any others. You'll now see that the new profile appears in the list. That list is your central place to view all your profiles at a glance. From here, you can keep work and personal life distinct. Test configurations safely or prepare a dedicated setup for travel or focused projects. Clear names and thoughtful organization will make switching between profiles feel effortless.